cocktail. What are you doing, Michael? What's his name?
One.
Hey, that wasn't very nice. That wasn't very nice. We do it to you.
God damn! You okay?
Open the milk. Open the milk. So, I'm going to talk about Jesus.
Hallelujah!
That's too loud.
Okay, sorry.
Do it nicely.
Oh, yeah.
Is the airplane coming?